Grade 11 or 12 ka ba at nalilito ka sa types of qualitative research? Now, this video is for you. Earlier, I just mentioned the 5 types of qualitative research, and these are the phenomenology, the case study, narrative inquiry, ethnography, and grounded theory. So now, we are to discuss this one by one so that you can easily identify which among these qualitative research design is suited for your study. Okay, number one, we have phenomenology. Phenomenology studies lived experiences. It answers ano ang experience nila or ng ating mga participants at ano ang nararamdaman nila. So participants usually are from 5 to 15 people and they have the same experiences. Example of topic includes the lived experiences of working students. So basta po sa phenomenology, ang focus natin ay ang experience ng ating mga participants. Now, second is the case study. Case study studies one specific case deeply. Pwedeng isang student, isang school, or isang program. Kasi usually, it is from 1 to 5 only. Example is the case study of a high-performing school. So one case, very detailed. When we speak now of ethnography, okay, so this studies the culture or group behavior or group dynamics. The participants ranges from 15 to 30 people. So isang community or group will be your participants in this study or in this research design. So example of a topic or title in ethnography is Classroom Culture of Indigenous Learners. So basta ang focus ng ethnography is yung culture and practices of a group. Now, we also have the narrative research. Narrative research tells someone's life story. So participants usually is 1 to 3 people. Now, example of this is the life story of an ALS graduate. Basta ang focus ng narrative research or narrative inquiry is on the personal journey of our participant. The last one is the grounded theory. So grounded theory builds a new theory from data. And usually 20 to 30 people ang ating participant dito. Okay, so sample title or topic is developing a theory on student motivation. Okay, sa grounded theory, data first, then theory later. Remember this, that qualitative research is equals to small participants only. However, we gained deeper understanding on our participants or on our study when we use qualitative research. It's not about numbers, but it's about meaning. Okay, so that will be all. Thank you, everyone.